What is going on, guys? I got another vintage ratchet to show you. This is a Snap-on number 71N, dated from 1938. Most of the finish has come off, but the body's still in good shape. It does have a broken tooth. It's a 20-tooth anvil. It has that really strong detent ball. It has a reinforcing ring here. And it also has a broken selector switch lever, which is going to allow us to completely take it apart. Here's the bottom plate, 4 millimeters thick. Here's the anvil with the missing tooth. Here's the batwing pawl. You can see where the spring pushes on the back of it there. And you can see the teeth with the wear marks. So the outside of these teeth is actually going to be where this pressure is from using the, applying force, and the inner is going to be just from the ratcheting action. So you can actually see the wear marks there. So I thought that was kind of cool. And then there's a little ball bearing and the spring there. And the machine work on this is really nice. You can see, really well done. And I found the 1938 Snap-on catalog. And here's the page that actually has the ratchet right there. And one of the features they point out is that everything's accurately heat treated, machined, and finished. And here's the date code. So this is the 8 that's on the ratchet. So that's the style from the 1930s. Thanks for checking it out, you guys. Appreciate you watching. Have a good one.